back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Happy Chinese New Year if you guys celebrate Chinese New Year. And also today is Valentine's Day. I decided to go get some flowers and surprise my grandma because why not? If I ain't gonna get flowers, she gonna get flowers, okay? So I'm gonna head to Loblaws. If Loblaws doesn't have what I want, probably gonna go to Whole Foods and see what's there. So I will talk to you when I get there. Up. Let's go. Which one do you guys think? I really don't know. They all look so pretty. But I also know our favorite flowers are these. Roses are so classic. Blue roses? No, she's gonna be like, oh, not that. I'm gonna get her these ones because there's a variety and I know she loves these flowers. Oh, hell no. It's freaking dying. Honestly, these are so pretty. Ooh, I kind of want one myself. Time to go home and surprise her. There was some actually like decent selection. I was surprised, and I was surprised that there was quite a bit too. Like I would think that by the time I got there, there would have been like no more flowers. I mean, it's so hot today. I'm dying. Make the light. Some of you were asking me what camera I used. It's actually just my iPhone. So I have the iPhone 11 Pro. That is the camera I use to record everything. Yeah, I know, surprising. I usually don't celebrate Valentine's Day. It's nothing really special to me. Yeah, I just wanted to do something special for my grandmas. My grandmama. Mama. To be honest, I just want to see her reaction. Because I know she loves flowers. Okay, so I'm almost home. I will check back in when I give her the flowers. Anh ngon mãi bé Ly à. Thôi á. Wow. Thôi á. Trông trông gì? Kết hôn là. Wow, wow, wow. Tan 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 tan. Trông trông gì à?俾人哋睇。好靚啊！我知道你中意呢個係嘛？好靚好靚。紅菊花。咩花？紅菊花。紅菊花。好靚好靚。大隻嘅頭。I know 今日係咩節啊？情人節啊。係 That's I was struggling to figure out what that was. How do you say in Chinese? How do you say Valentine's in Chinese? 咩？情人節 girl 唔知冇人。
Bây giờ con mà lên đây.
Dude, Mama có lại. Có lại.
Mama cho nó tiền pha thôi đó. Tiếng giờ cho tao tiền pha.
I turned around and that was there and she's like talking casually and I was like, what? That's like, come here.
Những chân chân nè.
Ying sang.
Những chân chân nè. Họ lấy mặt trùng tiếng hoa kìa. Họ xin đợi trùng tiếng hoa kìa.
Wow, hậu lành lưỡi喎.
Cái này bây giờ hơi xanh.
Oh. 좀 종이. Oh my god, I'm freaking winded after shoveling. I'm so out of shape. It's insane. Tap, tap, tap. Oh god. Ugh. So I need to go to the post office. Whoa, this is really loud. Okay, chill. I gotta go to the post office to ship something off. Got a Alias espresso machine, and this one little part keeps breaking off, which is kind of annoying because this is my third time getting a new one. But their customer service is really freaking good. So I ain't complaining. I'm kind of deaf from shoveling. Woo! Anyways, yes, I'm gonna be on my way to the post office.